In this video, I'll show you how to use Sezzle at Walmart, a great way to buy what you need now and pay later in interest-free installments. Walmart accepts Sezzle through the Walmart app and website. When you're ready to check out, add items to your cart and head to payment. Look for Pay with Sezzle as an option during checkout. Tap it, then log into your Sezzle account or sign up if you're new. You'll be asked to confirm your purchase amount and shipping address. Once approved, Sezzle will split your payment into 4 equal installments, paid every 2 weeks, with no interest. Your first payment is due right away, and the rest follow automatically. Make sure your Sezzle account has a valid U.S. billing address and phone number to avoid issues. Using Sezzle at Walmart is perfect for splitting costs on groceries, electronics, or back-to-school items. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more shopping hacks and buy now, pay later tips.